So we're back at our caravan site today and we're doing the electrical inspection here. We're back at the main kiosk, which is here located in the middle of a field. And we're really lucky to have the electrical substation right beside it. It means that we're going to have some really, really low earth readings to the supply inside the building. But the other challenge that gives us is because we're really close, then we get a higher fault current. So one of the things I recommend to people is always take a look when you're doing your electrical inspection, find out where the substation is, make a note of some details on the front here. On the front nameplate, it will give you the name of the site and it will give you a transformer number. We're really lucky that this one's not within a shed. We can actually get some details off of the panel here, the make, the model number, the size. This gives us information that if we need to make any inquiries to the DNO about the supply to site, we've got a reference to start with, and that makes our life a little bit easier. But it also tells us how many phases the transformer is, the size of it, the kVA rating, kV rating, and then the fuse rating of this transformer. Now, that's all really useful information if we're doing any electrical design work or any electrical engineering to expand our site in the future. We know what the maximum capacity of what's coming into the site here is before we get started with our work. It means that we can expect some low readings, as I said, on the earth fault loop impedance from the main panel within this site, and it helps us understand the characteristics of the site as we go through the rest of the inspection. So this is in the middle of the park, as we can see here. So again, there's a risk to this at the end of the day of damage. You know, children are likely to climb on it. We've got people with vehicles around us, parking caravans, things like that. So it's worth being well aware. We do the inspection here regularly. So we take a brief look around it to make sure that there's no damage, that there's the correct signage in place, and that no graffiti, things like that, to make sure that our transformer is in good condition. As you can hear today, this one's giving off a little bit of but that's perfectly normal because this is an air-cooled or oil-cooled transformer. Right, I'm Jamie Morgan. I'm an electrical engineer for ESI Electrical Safety Inspections. I'm taking you around one of our caravan park inspections today.